Alaska, the last frontier.
These are the voyages of the cruise ship Carnival Splendor.
In its 8-night mission.
To explore strange new worlds.
To seek out new life forms.
And new civilizations.
To boldly go where no man has gone before.
Hi, here we are, aboard the Splendor, room 9199. Look at that awesome view from our scenic ocean view window.
The very front of the ship. We are just underway on the Carnival Splendor to 8 nights in Alaska. Have a awesome view in the front of the ship. Got my little GoPro going. Jay is chilling out there. And we are departing the port of Seattle.
Hey, we just came back from the information show in the lounge. Bill's getting ready to go to the gym for a while. I'm taking my foot off, and I'm just going to stand here and watch the ocean swells in front of us. Hey there, still in Tracy Arm Fjord. We've got a great view, but so do the crew. They're all down there on the front part of the ship, being able to see probably their first sights of Alaska as well. They should have some perks. They have a better view than most passengers.
This is Wednesday, May
4th.
May the 4th be with you. We're sailing about 12 miles an hour through Tracy Arm Fjord.
The ship is now pulling away from Sawyer Glacier here in Tracy Arm Fjord on the return trip back out of the fjord.
Right here on the left, I want to slow down so you can take a look at this. If you're interested in history, slow down. If you're interested in history, yeah, this is a really good building to check out, okay? And they got a nice movie showing interesting stuff about the gold rush. And this is Broadway. This is our main street of town. Here on the left, the world famous Red Onion Saloon and brothel. And pretty decent food there too. And see where it says fresh local art? That's some of our best ivory carvers are right there. Work out of that. And a really good sandwich shop is up here on the left. Glacial Smoothies Coffee House. Slow down. And that is the Northern Lights Cafe there. Wide range of foods there if you like. And up here on 4th, the corner where the hardware store is, That's one of our few year-round businesses. And straight down the block on the left is the Skagway Brewing Company. Joe works there. You see the big sign right there. Some of the best food in town.
Spruce Tip Ale.
And beer. Yeah, and the Spruce Tip Ale. You're aware of that as well?
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. And here on the right, Crency's Curios, oldest gift shop in Alaska. Right next to it, Alaskan Artworks, a really nice local shop. And Ivory Carvers here in Corrington's, a fine line, inspired arts, really good local places. You also see there's the local. With us, kids that are born low birth weight have more health problems.
Right.
A good plump baby generally doesn't have.
Right.
Who's right? There again, look, this hill is all rock. Locally solid rock. So the forest growing, there's that moss I was telling you about.
Look at there.
That's about a bad picture.
That's cool.
Because it seemed like 80 or 90% of our rain came at night.
Oh, nice.
Oh yeah. I was staying in company housing, metal roof.
Oh.
And you know what that sounds like during the rain.
Oh, yeah.
So if you folks have enjoyed yourselves.
Yeah. Wow.
And it didn't take but 10 or 15 minutes later, giant snowflakes were landing on us.
Yep.
It's afternoon in Skagway after a day of floating on the Kaya River and doing some souvenir shopping and getting some Spruce Tip Ale at Skagway Brewery. Thank you, Sonny. You mentioned fry bread. Yes, the fry bread. Which is right there. Fry bread is down there. It's rush hour right now. Rush hour. Downtown. Yes. It's pretty busy. Here, sun is out. Yep, you gotta watch it too, traffic light. Yeah.
That's the sister Dolly there. And there's a white one that's around that's their mom. Okay, yeah, she was up to Scott. Oh, look at that. They get a little excited. We'd love to go swimming, but I don't want them in there next to sea lions. Lots of hard.
Adler. Oh, check that out. He's gonna go diving, maybe.
Wait a second.
There he is again.
The whale right in front of the ship.
He's a big one. Oh, there goes his tail.
Kaçanaat kavayı tüsak yak kaçanaat. Yel kavahat yel. Yel kute hettak çu kavahat. Atlen konas çiş vaya hati at. Ya ha ani te ha ani ha ani kadan. Çiş vaya hati at. Guateis ktsu ya kute kokak en EGS. I've told you my Tlingit name is Kajanat George Dalton Jr. Full-blooded Tlingit, born in Juneau, raised in Huna and Glacier Bay, and that I am of the Raven Moiety clan, and that my my clan house is the Seagull Raven Nest House.
Here we are in Ketchikan, Just went to the Arctic Bar, home of the Happy Bears. Bill's gonna get a job here at the City Hall. Head back that way, there's our ship, Carnival Splendor.
You understand how the game works now, okay? It won't be the same song, okay? That would be boring. So, it will be easy, yes. The next song, DJ, what is the next song?
ABC?
It's not ABC.